Chapter 6 Application of Derivatives Exercise 6.2 18th question, that is, prove that the function given by f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 100 is increasing in R. So we have given f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 100. So what is f dash of x? That is d by dx of x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 100. d by dx of x cube, that is 3x square. d by dx of 3x square, that is 3 into 2x. Plus d by dx of 3x, that is plus 3. d by dx of minus 100, 0. So we have 3x square plus minus 6x plus 3. Now 3 is taken common, so we have the remaining, that is x square minus 2x plus 1. So we can write 3 into x square minus 2x plus 1, that is of the form x minus 1 whole square. So 3 into x minus 1 whole square, that is f dash of x. Now going back to the question, we have given a function f of x is increasing in R. So for any function in R, that means we have what is f dash of x, that is 3 into x minus 1 whole square. If we are applying any value for x in R, in R we will be getting a positive quantity. That means x minus 1 whole square, it is always a positive quantity. So f dash of x is a positive quantity, so f of x is increasing on R. 19th question, that is, the interval in which y is equal to x square into e raised to minus x is increasing is a minus infinity infinity, b minus 2 0, c 2 to infinity, d 0 2. So we have given y is equal to x square into e raised to minus x. So we have y is a continuous and differentiable function in R. So what is y dash of x? That is d by dx of x square into e raised to minus x. That is, we are applying the product rule. That is x square into d by dx of e raised to minus x plus e raised to minus x into d by dx of x square. So what is x square into d by dx of e raised to minus x? That is x square into e raised to minus x into minus 1. That means minus x square e raised to minus x plus e raised to minus x into d by dx of x square, that is 2x. Now e raised to minus x and x is taken outside. So we have in the second term, that is 2x is 2 is common. So 2 minus, in the first term there is an x remaining. So 2 minus x. So that is the equation for y dash. So a part of the question, that is from minus infinity to infinity. So we have the interval minus infinity to infinity. When x belongs to that interval, we have what is y dash, that is e raised to minus x, x into 2 minus x. So we are applying any value in between minus infinity to infinity. We will be getting a negative value. For that, I have given example in the right side, that is x raised to, we are applying x is equal to minus 1. So we have y dash is equal to applying minus 1 into each and every quantity. At last, we will be having a negative value as the answer. So we have got y dash as a negative value. So y is a decreasing function at that time. So in minus infinity to infinity, y is decreasing. In the next interval, that is b part of the question, that is in between minus 2 to 0. So we have y dash, that is e raised to minus x, x into 2 minus x. So we are also applying any value in between minus 2 to 0. As the above also, we can substitute x equal to minus 1 here also. So we will be getting y dash as a negative quantity. So we can write y is a decreasing function in the interval minus 2 to 0. So C part of the question, that is 2 to infinity. So let y dash is equal to e raised to minus x, x into 2 minus x. Here let us in between 2 to infinity. So consider x is equal to 1. So we are applying x equal to 1 in the equation of y dash. So we will be having a negative quantity here also. So we can write y dash is a negative quantity. So y is decreasing function in the interval 2 to infinity. And the last part, that means the d part of the question, that is from 0 to 2. So here also we have what is y dash, that is e raised to minus x into x into 2 minus x. That is, we are applying any value between 0 to 2. Let x is equal to 1. Here we are considering x equal to 1. So we have y dash. We are substituting the value 1 here for y dash. So we will be having a positive quantity. So y is increasing function in the interval 0 to 2. So in conclusion, we have option D as the answer. So from 0 to 2, y is an increasing function.